Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you.
Oh, my pleasure. So tell me,
Wow.
how is that different from other times you've gone into hypnosis?
The induction was so incredibly beautiful. And I truly felt as though I were part of it. Not so much that you were speaking to me, but I was becoming part of it all. Um, right into my sanctuary, and my sanctuary happens to be at a church right by the water, and it was just so appropriate. And I just the further we went, the more I became part of it as an energy. um, and it really it yeah. I'm shocked and amazed. It was entirely different than other experiences I've had. um, the letting go, I just kept letting go of things, and I also felt such a lightness when I took a different path back to my sanctuary. There was truly a, just an incredible amount of stuff and garbage that has been building up over a couple of years. And I felt it was really interesting because I felt as though I've had a difficult time forgiving a friend. And I felt as though after all of this was said and done, I could see all my other friends as you were talking about them, but I could also see this friend in the back moving forward. And I feel as though that was representative of me forgiving and being able to forgive and to move on and to recognize the fact that he's still a person, still a good soul, and I'm still a good soul. And yeah, just unbelievable, unbelievable. Wow.